After last week's guilty verdict, Trump now wants to tax the world. Well, not exactly the whole world, but he's proposing a new tax on imports from countries that don't play fair when it comes to trade. Basically, he's saying, hey, if you're not treating us right in trade deals, we're gonna slap a tax on your stuff. It's kind of like a punishment for countries that Trump thinks are taking advantage of the US. Now, this plan sounds pretty bold, but it's stirring up a lot of debate. Some folks think it's a smart move to protect American business and jobs. They're like, yeah, let's level the playing field, but others are worried it could backfire and start a trade war, making stuff more expensive for everyone. So while Trump's talking tough on trade, everyone's keeping a close eye on what and how this plan plays out on the global stage. Here's the thing. Let's just say your neighbor across the street or across the road or in the next town, right? You trade with him and you're doing business with him. And your neighbor says, hey, when I buy from you, you give me wholesale prices. So you give me wholesale prices so that then I can turn around and sell it to retail to people in my town for a profit. But when you buy from me, I'm not going to sell you the goods at wholesale prices. I'm going to sell you the goods at retail prices. That is exactly what Trump is talking about, putting these tariffs to level the playing field. We're going to treat you the same way you treat us. And I think a strong leader, if you wouldn't allow that, would you? Right? You probably not. But as a strong leader in your home, of your country, of your company, of your business, you would do the same, right? If you're trading with someone and someone's treating you fairly, then you treat them fairly. But if you're trading with someone and they're treating you unfairly, they only want it to be a one-way street to benefit their side, then you make it level and you say, hey, this is how we're going to do. You want wholesale? Then you're going to have to give me wholesale. If you don't give me wholesale prices, then I'm going to treat you the same way you're treating me. I think that's fair.